Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
I never feel come off from inside this estate. I am losing strength. I am overthinking. And I can't even, apart from driving to get food, I can't even focus here. Now, I'm not saying I nearly started to do business for Lagos. I never even rent my apartment, a service apartment at a stay. Because I tell myself, say, money when I want to rent house for Lagos, now Lagos I want for Maker. I now go borrow money. I want to rent house for Lagos. I am shit. How I tell lose God. How the friendship take last 9 months. How? How? I just get to just the waka beside this estate this morning. May I say that might not go, might just feel relieve myself. How who you dey feed? Who you dey help? Who you dey protect? Who you dey protect in interest? Who you dey share popularity with? Who you tell yourself say, as far as this guy is my friend, he must make it. As far as this guy is my friend, nobody feel mess him up. Then, because I have been, like 3 days now, I've been asking myself, what did I do to warrant all this? Well, maybe I did something unknowingly. I don't scam my head. Was I stingy? Was I greedy? Did I try to slight him? I've been asking myself, did I discourage people from following him? Did I set him up? What did I do? I've never been this blackmailed. Somebody you call a friend will initiate a conversation and get your view recorded. Maybe boy ya pay phone. I think maybe boy ya go. Most of people that call me up and they pick call. I am always online working. How person go take initiate conversation just to get your own point recorded to blackmail you? Say, aware about him or say, or I want try that man. A video na where I destroy. People when I introduce you to, you not try turning them against me. The question I'm asking myself is why? Why did you do it? Why did you do it? Self, you say it up. No, this one when happen to me never happen to anybody. No, this one different. A phone make it ring. People know they call me again from diaspora. Somebody that is supposed to have my back, that knows the truth, that knows what I stand for, will be the one blackmailing me, running me down, spoiling my name, just to reduce me, reduce my popularity, so he can take over. Are you a blogger? No. Are you an influencer? No. Where were you in 2013 when I started building my platform? I worked, I toiled. I didn't buy followers. My followers is organic. You do birthday as a friend. As a friend. I know what I contributed for the birthday in February. From my hard-earned money, I spray you over 400K. Make I don't lie, because issue day over 400K. When I gave my younger brother one bottle and his friends that came for the party, I gave them one bottle of Mate. My guy squeeze face. Say they waste drink. And this is my younger brother is one of the engine room of my platform that is giving you and I popularity. Turn on one side. People will come from abroad, they call me and say, I'm busy. Yeah, I'm your boy, I don't mean where. The next thing you will tell them is about it take bemu. Même no yoba. Then social media about it do. Normal guys when they talk. I'm not anymore talk. A conversation you initiated. Where record the man? Where record the man? What die? We about to one the level do one in the stainless. He record the you know now. Here one light here. Imwe woge. Imwe le blackmail. Ina mwe woji. Imwe woge. Imwe le blackmail. Ina mwe woji. I remember a family that Omigo not TV. Shall I call into Ralomigo live video recently? When I say I call into Ralomigo platform recently, a friend Ralomigo not TV. Or about it, I'm always criticizing you. But who will say how? He downloaded everything to me. And people are calling me, begging me. Why are you begging me? Please, nobody should call me. If you say you the reason I'm doing this video because for 3 days now I've been on the phone. I don't even disturb my neighbor self. I had to just take this walk, make I fit do this video. Please don't call me. No matter how we close, don't ask me. Say what's happen? Who be the person? Don't ask. Don't ask. Please, I beg you, don't call me. I'm tired of the calls. The last one that called me, okay, me I will a live video. So I made the calls reduce. Okay, about what did happen? Tell me what did happen now. I yes also thing. Please. And this mistake, I will never make it again. I was supposed to take this decision in February when I noticed some things. Today, social media association of commenters, they go so quarrel. About him will say, they go so quarrel. About him will say, okay, let me see. We make patience. I'm a very patient person. People they call me, they will not tag. Me at me away, they will not cut 3-4 months ago. Anyway, when I yelele, when I queen only way. You preach peace on social media. You try to make people believe where I am the bad one. You call me Ogbeti. You Ogbeti. I'm just a honest person. It's in any year. You brand me Ogbeti. Then, and you they wake me up in the morning. You get video manania. You appointed yourself my social media PA. They draw my attention to different things with my brother. May he respond to this one. How no? Hi pepper soup. How no? You are drawing my attention to people mentioning my name. I can't respond to everybody. They are pay busy if I respond to everybody. Only few people. Maybe an amigos are going to hold Dion. But my way are a live video. How about it? Ogbeti. You brand me Ogbeti to push people away from me so you can take them. We visa. When I'm more enemy. I'm what you call. I be deny way. When I'm more enemy. I be apply appeal. Who ye more enemy. Many issues. You call me. So why you me? Why you me? Anybody not call me? I ain't your sorry. Ologbo on money. I'm waiting for the blackmail. And you are working about. Oh, it's cool. You are recording me, then you will know who is about Obazee. Cool. Why not a consent? My way, all these videos that you are seeing, man, not tell you, man, no. Atalogbe, because even when no ye he is still spoiling my name. Eva Gwe, Egayefi. Life goes on. The politics, man, politics. The politics, where you can make a stark illiterate. The politics. I will still not talk because he thought you're smart. He didn't know that. Right from time, he buying it. I was smarter. I was extremely careful. But, I careful, sir. I careful, sir. I careful, sir. My party, they are two man. Then social media were a peacemaker. We mo gbeti ni me. We peacemaker. When I'm carry Yahweh Thanksgiving. When I'm clean. You have to walk with me, you're hungry. And I'm not select. Yeah, I'm your boss where I'm moving. Take care of people around you. How about not talk fast like this? May come fully self first. God. Man, no, my go. No, my go. Man, start. Oh, but me good and young winner. Because I don't extort, you brand me with the EU. EU. Go reach Ohe. Imagine somebody calling him and he confirms say Ohe the woman. Ah, yeah, we are close. Le matter what, et que l'on a geleta abattre édition. Cambodia, Lord, I see you, Jude Ire. Almighty, my work can get with my brother. I'm sure you know what happened for Jerry Papa burial. And that day I decide, say it's the end of the road for this evil friendship. Cambodia, Lord, I see you. Come, I beg my fans. If you don't see anybody with type, make you settle. When I mention my name, make I block the person. If you try it, if I hear the word settle for you, I will block you. Try it. Osayo Sifo. Don't write that thing again. Say Muna settle. I will block you. I will block you. Try it. May I type my sister Muna settle again. That's why they deceive me when I forget that poison. Nobody should call me because I don't type to receive calls. 3 days I never sleep. Cambodia, Lord, which color of shoe you back up for me? You hide under me? Where are you working? Intimidated bus drivers. Doing nonsense and you are following me. I have all the facts. I have all the evidence. I know they are going to encourage him to say, Saga, no, how are you okay by it? They will understand that this is a very different type. I'm sure he knows me. Just that it's a get down, no man. Or when we have to try, man. But we don't no man, no sabo ni many yari yagbon. Yigbon maru. Yit me dotoma. The man who me be secondary school, he wagbon be. I know the law. I have good lawyers that I'm working with. Very good and intelligent lawyers. Yigbon be. He arrest Thomas. Me was true. And now ibude. Evana lekwa. Ebe ga mo se osiowe. Timothy oye dokpolo. Mo ira Tony, Lare, come sit there with us now. Jesse Root, we are here, come sit chill with us now. Mare do ya team ma me me in my vapa no. I can make ka we how about now? Ye be. Ye vana me ni okugbe. Emi vo me fo. Ye me we make boto. E ma le boom me app. We want automatic recording. There are some parents that will jail him by the time I finally open my mouth. Yeah, yeah, more you go. Oh, you go. There are some things you cannot do. Everybody get right. You can test it. But can go on. So please, it costs not too much. It's already everywhere. Abad versus this person. It's already everywhere. The cost not too much. That's why I also I beg. This morning make a talk. Make the cost reduce. Not tired. Mama only agbe nedia. O dunga ari oga. Mama only agbe. Agbe nyare wu yoru. Sage gbe kwa. Sage gbe kwa. I beg. Mona delete the video. I beg Mona delete the video. It's still bad be a joy. Or you Daniel by after the we agbe for there. You know let any come which video they delete. Or go have video man. You always go have video man. Video where? Which video did they delete? Monare, Monare, your own people when they help you. Jesse Roots, I will need promoted Jesse Roots. Awame. Jesse Roots yari gore. No yari gore. Hey, we're free. Hey, value hey. No yari gore. How can you say that? When you make here, we're money going to me. Who do you go to lay here? I'm go boy. Yes, you see no. I can't see where you are. You probe you. I will go another country. They two were you are. My baby. My life come and betray. And I've learnt my lesson. This is the final one. I'm not sure what you soon. You lose God. You don't see a relationship, my baby, honorable Sagbo, where you are. We are be men. We are what's it doing about our work bear. I really whoever government has a well to my head low. With all this bad matching, you know, you forgive a. We are going for. Well, I'm Mutari wa Havana Yahweh Thanksgiving. When Mutari Yahweh Thanksgiving, Saba was Simeoni. Mutari Venuria, I will say, Saba Mudian Wegbe, Ricky Tesse. What you sow, you must reap. When the Kabakaya, they will carry you for. You know, when I don't reply, we will reply, I'm your friend. We will reply, don't reply. As a friend, let me help you reply. I want to tell you about this all the politics. Go and investigate. Then investigate for Nena Gbobon. I was also betrayed. Yeah, good. Yeah, but he was in a theater. Where was he? Where was he? Where was he? La wakame mama Canada no vi moto na Canada no team. Mama Canada team. E kidwaya do me waya we, but you need to do something now. Okay, so so wa we. No mama Canada, true no ya me. Ya mama Canada, ona fian me for. Ona ga see the moto gear. I be hungry. Mama Canada tie o. I bet you forgive for ya. Any home egbe. I want 4 about huh? About why give me UK. And then UK had the rejected. Na kehoewa. Ya lele. Na ye heo lele me. Ya me ni. And when you party fee 1.2 million mami anyon. Ina viare Wesley walao. Ye party ye. Ogme ya deni ne mo eti do wa Wesley. Wa yan. Make it anyway about to pay or party. You want to pay. It's a sign of disrespect. Party is for celebration, it's not for fundraising. I have everything. A year on my palm. A sleepy yard women. Gero. Ari ave ni bae. Ebo amagba wa gbagbe o. Chema wa gbagbe. Ayera mo. Ihon gbagbe. Den mi na me lu enwo bi me. Ime ga to e wa be mutare ige ga to ewunu. I wasn't benefiting anything from the friendship. Gossip. People's matter. Yeah, no. The governor here power now. Here we all le no way ye na moon ma so working. Other people only you get interesting. Tell me now lu will be me. E man the board only make that 12 unu. Me or no. Always appointment party or honorable Saibobo you are. Am I inviting me to die? Well, I'll tell about the money to be a day. Haba. The organizers, well, lao. How about now? A person, but I see about almost liberty. If I got discharge me, do who die? You Benedia. You can be better eternal hotel. Warrior. You can't better eternal hotel. You cannot spoil my name. You. Yeah, the party bozo. Go by with dodge. We Ghana or ya when you dodge, not by way dodge. Off you with. If I need a party fee 2 million and where after party now they have fee 2 million. Wa sweba me na swaba. Wa sweba me na swaba. no diaspora supporter go post screenshot say in go. Iwe party o. Swear na swaba. May your friend disturb me o. Your friend, I don't know what I want to do. I don't know if I want to talk to them. I don't say I dey jealous her. Or I know I made the party choke. I barely to want to forget who I give her. Me where my mama go in normal in the mud by. That's why I go and view me so go we up. This is confirmed is authentic. And yeah, and you carry yaw me no. What was ya cool? What go le no ta? No more a video no die pa. No die audio no die pa. O call ma the phone, no involve no wa commit we are save Tam one down or no ata na. We ata yo. We ata yo. Igualezo. I'm not ready to do anything. I'm going to move on. So nobody should call me for his matter. Igualezo. And I'm sure I did a video of it. But I got more than I will do. I will come out. It's not just going to be social media fight. I'm going to go legal. The boy I say, you're an amigo with Tony. They go know the truth. Brand me a bad person. Why? Area tasse. Yeah, tasse. The boy we are to the ticket all set. Abba will come down. All the same, man. So when I remember one video when I do it to force this motto, when I end the video, I don't want to end. While the way I'm there, I will show you the other side of me. While the way I'm there, while the way I'm here, I'm done. Oh, mercy. I'm making that I go away. And me go sakuna hold the guyi who do aware with my name. Me go away college mu da guyi where aware le me. EPA Davido Israel ote money any dia. The depends re. Ma be the depends ya la do e. The depends ya yoga. Ote money any dia ke ne depends ye. It depends just oh say no a problem even only my shit man kabodiama ane kabodiago I know they don't say so I know you go kabodiama I know you go. Why do you ask for money when a fellow man like you not do motor way? Now we in the government didn't wear who man we go in a day 300,000-400,000. Good morning. Kabodiama. Now allow white nobody should call me say about it was nobody should call me. Thank you.